Hey, welcome to the Wyoming RC way.
Hey, welcome to the channel. Hey, I got it's a 2-for-1 for you guys today. I got some wheels and tires that I'm going to be doing for my Fair RC FMS FCX18 LC80, and then I got kind of a sneak peek of a project I'm kind of working on, trying to figure out all the details, and we'll cover that too. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here we go.
We're here for you for some tires and rims for your 124th to 118th, maybe 116th. Kind of manufacturing. So, that's a different wheel wrench than I've seen before. It also gives you an Allen wrench and the screws that put it together. And since it says aluminum, you are going to aluminum. I would suggest using a touch of beadlock or a thread locker with it. You don't need much, just a little touch. That way they don't back out. Anytime you're going metal into metal, you always want to use like some thread lock, just touch a thread locker so they don't back out. If you're going to plastic, plastic will pretty well hold just fine like it is. Plus thread locker, unless you get a specific thread locker that's safe for plastics, thread locker, regular thread locker, has been known to destroy your plastics. So, it's cool. So let's see what these look like. Oops, I guess one thing I should have done is first this, do a feel. Okay, they are not vented, but they do have a nice squish. So it's a 3-piece aluminum. And it looks like the center ring, yep, the center ring is aluminum also. So it's not going to add a whole lot of weight. Now, what interested me about this particular set was I was looking for these tires for a new build, and I was also not happy with the set of rims that I have, wheels, on this thing right here. This is my Fair RC FMS FCX18. It's a fair modified one. But as you know, I'm not a fan of just black to black. Not a fan. So what I'm going to do is, and I have this one dialed in. I've added a little bit of weights here and there, but that's not the point. I've have this one dialed in, so these wheels are going to stay. So I'm going to swap the wheels out for these. And I can't remember if these have brass weights or not, but anyway, by the time I'm said and done, I'm gonna have these weigh in the same that they're supposed to. I have wheel weights and brass rings if I need them to get this dialed in. So it's exactly the same. It's just the only thing that's going to change is, you know, what the wheel is. So, and I don't think you all really want to sit here and watch me do all that. So I'll bring you back when I have these swapped out, or have these wheels swapped out. But you're probably not going to see these again until I do my build. And also I have these off. I'm also going to white letter the thing, because that's always something I wanted to do, and I just always put it off. So anyway, as I said, I'll bring you back when we're done, and of course that will also make this look a little more scale. You know, because not everyone puts the same exact rims on, but I don't know, maybe I'll order another set, just because, especially if these tires turn out really good. I might order another set just so I can do that. Just swap it out for the back. But that's that, Amy. I'll bring it back when that's done. Okay. I thought I'd bring it back for the last one. So, oops. Anyways. Now, the reason I'm doing this is I don't lose the screws. So, for me, it's better to put it back together. Okay. Because the Petrozzi rims were 1.5s. The screws for the new rims are 1.3s. Yep. Lock tight. Yeah. And I found out why they gave you this. Because that opening for the wheel is really narrow. There we go. Oh, my shock's in the back. I'll figure that out later. But you have to admit, that looks a whole lot better than just black. Especially since it's red. It just, ties it all together. All right. So, for the FCX30 Jeep Wrangler, it's a front bumper and a rear bumper. I'd say it's pretty nicely packaged. It's like they give you the screws. And they are metal. So that'll be the front. That'll be the front bumper, and that would be for the rear. But that's not what I'm going to use them for. Got them because of a custom build I'm doing. Not quite ready to show it yet, but people that are real car buffs, they're probably going to recognize what this is. But I'm thinking I think it's going to kind of work. Just not sure until I get it more mocked up. That might be too low. But I think I actually want it on this piece right here. This is where I would want it. Yeah. But you're going to have to come back to see what this actually goes on. Yeah, I could definitely use that for sure. That's going to look sweet. And then this would be the rear. Not so sure about this one. So I might be able to Dremel in right here. Stick those tabs through and mount it that way. But I think that just makes it hang too low. You might just have to go with that. But I really do like this idea. Yeah, that's going to look sweet. I'm gonna have to measure it out and all that, and so I get it snugged up, kind of, because I got to take into account for this mount and this lip. Of course, I guess I could just Dremel that part of it off. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna Dremel this completely, dribble both these dog ears off, and cut this so it's all flush, and then I can mount it. That's gonna be so sweet.
Okay, guys. Hey, I hope you found that interesting. I think these wheels the wheels look really nice on there. A lot better than the black one were. And can't wait to actually get this done for you guys and show you it. I'm going to do the whole build and all that. But I'm excited for you guys to see what this is for. Yeah, so here we go. And if you wouldn't mind, I'd really appreciate it if you would like, subscribe, share, comment down below. It'd be great. And whatever you do, do it the Wyoming Cowboy way. Safe, fun, built right.